Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change filament in an Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to get out this bag of tools that came with the printer. Inside it you should find 2 wrenches. You won't need the one that's only got this on one end, but the double-ended one you'll need for this. So next what we're going to want to do is get the biggest end of our wrench, and if you see this little screw right here, you're going to want to latch it onto here and start unscrewing. You want to get it loose enough to where you can start to shake it by hand. Next, what we're going to want to do is go over here, press in on the circle button, go to Control, Temperature, Nozzle, and turn it to set it to your normal printing temperature. So right now, I'm going to set mine to about 200 and wait for it to heat up. The reason that we need to heat it up is that sometimes filament can get stuck in your hot end, so we need to heat it up so it can easily come out. Now that we've got our extruder heated up, you should just be able to pull this out. Next, we want to find the part where the filament is being connected to the tube, and we want to pinch this in and start to pull the filament out of the tube. It may be a little bit hard at first, but once you get it going, you should just be able to easily pull it out. Now, we want to take our old filament off, get our new one, and place it on the spool. Now, we're going to be doing the exact same thing we did before, except opposite. So, we're going to place this back in and re-screw it in, just like this. Now, we're going to take the end of our new filament, cut it with the pliers provided at a 45-degree angle. Next, we want to go back to where we were, pinch this in, and start feeding the filament in. The first little bit may be hard. You just need to start pushing in and pulling out, pushing in and pulling out until you find the tiny little hole that will lead to this. If you're having lots of trouble, you may want to try unscrewing this right here. You can probably do this by hand. If not, you can use the smaller end on your wrench. Then once you get the filament through, you can screw it back on. We want to keep feeding the filament through until you felt resistance. Then you want to keep pushing with your extruder heated up until that color filament starts coming out the extruder. And now you can start printing with your new color filament. I hope you enjoyed this video and it taught you how to change the color filament in your Ender 3 Pro. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!